Welcome live in Leathercraft. Today we're going to be talking about sponges. So before me there are a few different types of sponges that we offer. And starting on my left here, we have a traditional cellulose sponge. Now this is a wood fiber based sponge. It's a great eco-friendly type sponge. Holds water very well, so it's great for casing leather and applying all different types of chemicals. Also, we do have a general purpose around Leathercraft sponge. It's got a great hand feel, good absorbency as well. Traditionally, I like to use this sponge probably the most, apart from casing leather with this regular water. And now this is a general purpose sponge that works across a huge range of types of products, and it's really a go-to type sponge for everything. Followed by the sponge in the center here. Now this is a high density sponge. This sponge, as its name implies, it's a little firmer. And the benefit of this particular sponge is when you're removing antiques from the surface of your work. Because it is high density, it doesn't deform into the valleys of your leather carving. So it leaves some of these antiques finishes down here in the valleys, as you can see here. So it allows that relief to really pop when you're applying the finish and you just rub it off. It really gives you a very, very nice effect. This high density sponge is the way to go. Okay, moving on. Our last but not least, this is a premium applicator sponge here. Now this has a 100% cotton surface. You default to this type of sponge when you want a non-abrasive. So if you don't want a scratchy effect, especially on fine leather goods where you're working on like saddle soaps, creams, conditioners, and you don't want like anything scratchy or damaging that surface of your leather, this is a great premium applicator because it is 100% cotton, and then it's encapsulated in the sponge, so it also resists dripping and things like that. So once again, we've got a comprehensive line of sponges for all of your leather crafting needs. And from all of us here at Ivan Leather, we do thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for other future videos and product launches.